What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is another live day and I'm going to talking to a new teacher. So by the way, guys, if you wish to experience what I am experiencing in Handybar can truly cater your needs by having our projects. We have our new promotions, new projects that can really help you improve your Chinese skills. So just to inform you, we also launch a group class wherein many of you will be able to listen to a Chinese teacher. So if you wish to avail that offer, you can always log on to the website. That's www.handybar.com, or you can also check our TikTok page, which is the Lucky Finds TikTok shop. We will guide you through the step-by-step process of registering in Handybar.
比面条好吃好吃 Oh, it's 妹妹比哥哥姐姐漂亮
Alright guys, that's it for our lesson. At first, this topic was really difficult for me, but you know what, to tell you honestly, teacher Sarah was able to simplify it. She was really patient, she guided me all throughout, and she was able to discuss the topic really effectively. So if you want to experience what I've experienced, as what I've told you before, you can always feel free to log into the website. That's www.handybar.com, or you can simply message us on our social media sites. You can also check our TikTok page, that's Lucky Finds TikTok shop, so that you can avail the promotions that Handybar prepared for you. So what are you waiting for? Be part of Handybar and fulfill your Chinese journey. Till next time!